guys. So let me get cozy in here for you guys. Oh my god, this glare is terrible. But it's WWE 2K16. So there's the game listed for you guys. You guys can see a lot of the rolls. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. But yeah, guys. So I'm actually gonna take this out of the case, and I'm gonna start up the Lamborghini. All right, so let me get it. Everything's good. You guys ready for this? 3, 2, 1. Started. You guys can see. Alright, so you guys see this. This is where the or the PS4 game will go in. So everything's turned on, everything's good to go. Let me play the CD. So alright, you guys can see when I press CD, it says no disc. Let me press that again. Alright, so there's no disc. There it goes. Check CD. What the heck? It spit it out. It says disc out. I wanted to play some PS4 while I drive. What the hell? Should I try it one more time, guys? Let's try it one more time. That's what happens, guys, when you put a PS4 game disc in a car CD player. So it doesn't work. So make sure you guys subscribe for more. Give it a like if you enjoy. Subscribe if you're new. And as always, thanks for watching. And shout out to my Lamborghini. See you guys. Splits here, and I'm going to show you guys what happens when your account gets banned on the PS4. So let me actually run down what happened in the whole reporting process. So I made a video on how to report someone on the PS4, and it was my friend Attack Puppies, and basically he just wrote a mean message saying like cuss words, just like saying bad stuff to me. So he actually got banned, and I'm going to show you guys on his account what happens and see what I can't do and cannot. So here is my report that I reported Attack Puppies from. So it says PlayStation moderation, your report has been processed, and basically they said that we processed your message report and taken appropriate action. So this happened on March 14, 2017. So now we're gonna go on the ban account, which is Attack Puppies account. Log on. And we are gonna see what happens. So here's the ban account, and let's see. Oh shit! It already says sign in the PlayStation Network. That's not good, guys. So I'm gonna sign in, and let's see if I can. Alright guys, so I'm about to sign in 3, 2, 1. Oh shit, your account is suspended from PlayStation Network. So, access to PlayStation Network by this account has been temporarily suspended due to policy violations. An email. Oh yeah, I did get that email. TechNobi sent me that screenshot. I'll show you guys in a bit, but do you guys see that code WS-37337-3? I'm actually gonna go to Google and type that exact thing and see what pops up. So let's do that. Alright, so I just typed in the code. There we go. Alright, so it's the first one. PSN error code. Let's see what it brings up. So this code means this PSN account has been temporarily suspended. Updated 10/9/15. So this is it, guys. The PSN. I actually have to go on my own account to upload to get the web browser. I can't do it on the PSN account. So we're gonna log on here. I know how to. And then we're gonna go back to the band account. You guys clearly see that the account is banned. So let's go back to the band account. So I'm actually gonna show you guys that email that Attack Lobbies got. So yeah. Alright, so this is the email, and it basically says this message is to inform you that your account has been observed violating the PlayStation Network terms of service, and then it gives them the sign-in ID, the reason, which was his hate speech message that he sent me. And then basically it says your account will be suspended for 7 days starting on March 17, 2017. So he got banned for a week. So during this time, your account will not be able to access the PlayStation Network. So basically, he can't even play anything online because he's banned from the PSN Network, which is basically everything you need. So that's what happened. Like, look, I can't even look at my damn messages. It's just gonna tell me to sign in to PlayStation Network. So this is what happens when you're banned, guys. I can't play anything. It's just telling me to sign in. I can't even check my trophies. Like, it's banned, guys. Like, you guys feel bad for Attack Lobbies, not really, but I guess he deserves it. So, haha, Attack Lobbies, if you're watching this. But no, I'm just kidding. It's so I think PlayStation has like a what's it called? Banning method. So if you send hate speech, it's gonna be a week. If you probably hack a game, that's probably gonna be like a month of ban, suspended, and then probably if you hack the PlayStation store or something, you'll get banned for life. So hate speech is only for 7 days. So I don't know if it gets any worse than that, but that's what happens when your account gets banned on PS4. Can't do anything, which sucks. Hopefully Tech Lobbies learned his lesson and not send anybody hate mail. That comment was rude. Like I said, I'll put that video down below. You guys can check it out on the whole process of reporting. And yeah, guys, PlayStation does ban people, and that's what happens when your account gets banned on PS4. Hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, thanks for watching.